everyone, my name is Goldberg. Welcome to my channel. This video is reviewing and unboxing Jacquemus. We have the Chiquito mini leather bag from Jacquemus, as well as Jacquemus dress, a La Robe trio. I guess it's been called like La Robe trio. Well, I'm so excited for this video just because I would like to share my honest opinion about Jacquemus brand, as well as this is like their most popular and famous statement product from Jacquemus, the Chiquito bag. So excited to have this bag. I will tell you why, and also I will give you my honest opinion about Jacquemus dress as well. So before we start, I'm very new to YouTube and I would love to grow my channel. I would like to do a lot of unboxings and reviews and comparisons between different luxury brands and you know, like bags and shoes. And so if you're interested, please like and subscribe. So I bought this Jacquemus mini Chiquito mini leather bag in black. I got it as a gift to myself. I always wanted this bag just because I think like it's so cute. Basically this bag is not really a bag, so what it is an accessory. So it comes in this, oh god. Oh, anyway, it comes in this dust bag. So it's basically, the bag is tiny, so you don't need anything like bigger than this. So it comes with the dust bag. It comes with the adjustable strap as well. I'm gonna show you later. So basically I would love to carry it just like this. I'm not really bothered about this strap. I mean, it's handy to have this strap, obviously, if you want to, you know, sometimes you want to go for a walk, so it's good to like have it as a strap, but I would love to like carry it like this. So you need to treat this bag, it's called a mini bag, but it's basically like a purse. So it's not gonna be like, you can't really carry much into this bag. As I said, it's an accessory. So whatever you're wearing, this will just add an extra thing into your outfit. Like you can just like, whatever you're wearing, this is like a statement. This is gonna like add an extra like piece of like cuteness and I don't know, piece of fashion into your whatever you're wearing. So that is why I purchased this. And it's been a year that I'm really into small bags, mini bags, wallet and chains, and I just think that they're so handy. Like, why would I have to carry such a big bag? I'm not really a big bag person. I don't really like big bags because I'm not really, the most important thing that I carry with myself is my phone and my car keys. So as long as a bag can fit a phone and a car key is fine. Unfortunately, this does not fit my phone, so I mean, my phone is probably like double the size of this bag. So yeah, this bag is not gonna fit my phone, but it's not a big deal because most of the time I just carry my phone in my hand, so that's not a big deal. As long as this bag fits my car keys and my house keys, which is the bulkiest thing that I have, then I'm happy with it. So let me just come a little bit closer. So yeah, like basically you can see that is just like this size. It's so cute. I got it in black. I mean, it comes with a lot of colors. There are a lot of different colors. I love the one in pink and in blue. It looks so extremely cute, specifically for summer. But I think that the black one is more practical. Like you can wear it like anywhere with any outfit. It's not gonna look like too much wearing like a mini little bag. So I just think that the black one is one of the best colors, or the white one. I was really like stuck on dilemma between the white and black. But I think that the black one, in terms of being practical, I think it's more practical. And once you have one tiny little bag, I don't think I'm gonna buy other colors. I don't know, like it's not really like it's something that I'm gonna have it in multiple colors, because one is enough. Like one Jacquemus mini Chiquito is enough. So well, I just love this look. It's so cute. Obviously, you know, Chiquito comes in a couple of different sizes. It comes with actually one smaller than this, which is the micro bag. it comes with one size bigger than this, which is the Moyen, the Chiquito Moyen, is slightly bigger than this, and it definitely fits a lot more, but I'm not bothered. This is the classic one, and I would love to have something like tiny and cute like this. So well, in terms of before I go to the before I explain more, the leather is obviously 100% leather. It's really nice leather as well. It feels really nice, feels so luxury. Obviously it's quite an expensive bag for what it is, which is like a tiny little like purse like this. It's £400, so I'm expecting it obviously to be quite good. The stitchings are quite good. The handle design is really like firm, and it was really nice. And obviously we have the logo as well, Jacquemus. So you open it. I love about it is that like when you open it, the magnetic is really like nice, and you know, it's just like it just opens and closes really nicely. You don't have to really push for it. So I love the magnetic thing. It's quite like nice, and inside it's just the smallest thing ever. What I'm just hoping is that I can fit my car keys. If I'm able to fit my car keys in this bag, and my house key and my car keys, I'm more than happy, because it's all I want to carry with myself. So can you imagine that my keys is the same? My keys is like nearly like similar size as this bag. So I put the keys in there. Well, guess what? It actually fits perfectly. Oh god. Actually, you know what? It might not. Why did I thought it fits? It should definitely fit. Oh yeah, it fits, because I tried it before. I thought like definitely fits. So I think, you know, and now I have my car keys in this bag. I don't think I can fit anything else. That's it. So this bag is designed. This bag is designed to carry my car keys, and this is something that I take everywhere with myself, car key and house key. So it's something that is essential for me. If I put my car key and house key in this, and then I carry my phone in my hand, then should be fine. I can also fit a bank card easily as well. So bank card will easily fit in there. Even with the car key, I can still fit the bank card, so bank card is not a problem. If a car key is there, I was hoping that I'm able to put a lipstick, but if my car keys are in there, I can't fit a lipstick. If you don't have a car key and a house key, obviously you can fit I wish I could carry this with myself. It's my Dior Lip Maximizer, which I said it in every single video that I love this product so much. So if I put my just 2 lipstick in there, you know, 2 lipstick does not fit. My Dior Lip Maximizer is not gonna fit in there, so then I'm just going there. This one is just a lipstick. My lipstick fit there perfect. So but that one does not fit. I can put hairband in nicely. That definitely fits. And what else? I was maybe I also like a hair clip. A clip as well fit nicely again. So hair clip fits nicely. So I can either carry with myself a hair clip and a hairband and a lipstick, or maybe like a small perfume or some like tissue or something like that, or I can just carry my car keys and my house key. One of these two I should decide, but still it carries something, like I can fit something in there, something important, but definitely does not fit a phone. And oh god, well, I'm not really bothered about that one. So yeah, I think it's fine. And then if you go to the strap as well, I will show you how it looks. So the strap again is 100% leather. What I love about it, because it's adjustable, so as I said that you can carry it both ways. When it becomes like when you put the strap on, it becomes, I think, more casual. I think, you know what I can do, even when you go for walks, you can still wear this bag. I think it's such a good bag when you don't want to carry anything with yourself. I think this is like the best thing to carry. So I'm gonna show you how this bag looks like. So I actually like it. I know that a lot of people are saying that, oh, this might like is like gonna be like a useless bag or something. But what else am I gonna carry? I have, so it fits my car key and my house key, and then I'm gonna just carry my phone with myself. It looks really nice, it looks really cute, and you know what, it's because it's so light and nice, I think it's perfect for just like walking, you know, when you go for a walk, you just, because I go for a walk a lot, even for a run, I think it still like fits like a lot of things. So yeah, as I said, like this is a dress. It's not a skirt and cardigan. It looks like a cardigan and a skirt, but it's actually a dress, so it's all closed from the back. It fits okay. It's a size 8. I'm a size 8. This, by the way, this is the design. I haven't opened it. This is the design. So it's supposed to look like this. It's supposed to be just like basically kind of like baggy on the shoulders like that. But I don't think that the dress worth £500. I don't recommend this dress, and I don't think that Jacquemus dresses, unless you really love the brand, you're really trendy and you're not on budget, then perfect, you can buy whatever you want from Jacquemus. But if you just want to buy one item from Jacquemus and you just like, you know, like this brand, just stick to the Chiquito mini leather bag. If you want a little bit bigger to fit more items, go for a Le Chiquito Moine, so you can fit some more stuff in it. There is also Le Chiquito Grand, which is a lot bigger. I'm not a fan of it at all, because I think Le Chiquito has to stay small. That's what the name is, Le Chiquito, which means like something tiny and small. So I'm not really bothered to get Le Chiquito Grand, because it's not, I don't think it's gonna really stay as a Jacquemus statement. But yeah, final thing, so as you can see, this is Jacquemus Le Chiquito mini leather bag in black and Jacquemus La Robe dress. So tell me guys what you think in the comments, and if you've enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe, and I will do more unboxing and reviews. Thank you.